as our wingsuit pilot circles the formation. At 5,000 feet, the team leader pumps up, signaling the jumpers to perform our bomb burst maneuver. This is our salute to all of you attending today's show. And there you have the high-flying black and gold of your United States Army parachute team, the Golden Knights. The smoke trails each jumper leaves in the sky are created by two M18 red smoke canisters, which emit a continuous stream of smoke for up to 90 seconds. The jumper attacks will increase their speed towards the ground, hitting speeds over 80 miles per hour. As they bring it down, you may hear the pilot give the commands. When they get closer to the earth, they will bring it up and split apart. As these last two jumpers bring it in to the target area, this will conclude our performance for the day. And on behalf of the entire team, I would like to thank each and every one of you for being such a warm and receptive airborne audience. In closing, I leave you with this final.
Let's go, Zach! Is the ball getting heavy?
You suck!
Go home! Yes. Come on, close, you're close. Nice. Good start.
There you go, Khalil. Let's make it a call.